Hello people, my name is Mikael Diaz and welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I am trying to what was about that? That and sorry for that. And hello everyone, my name is Mikael Diaz and welcome to my YouTube channel Industry for Goal. And this time I am trying to teach you about to some things about 3D modeling. As you can see, I'm not the English speaker, as I'm not native in English, but I will try to improve my English as well. So let's start. It will be fun. Yeah, it will be. So don't leave your shack. So let's start it, and as you can see, the model is not straight, actually it's horrible. But the book, that was the most important thing we need, and that was the aim of our photogrammetry. Actually, it's not that bad because it was an easy shape to recreate. So I think before we dive in, I think I'm a little like that. We need to think about we need to make a plan. So I think the first step, I don't know if you agree or not, is to cut off the things we don't need of your model. And the second part is to do some refinements in the. I think refinements is a word, right? In your book that's on there. So let's start to select it and edit, transform. I think no, it's not transform, but it's okay. Point cut. Yes. Like you see, it's not that bad. I think it's pretty amazing. So we don't need the base. I will undo that and select no fill because I don't need the filament. So I think it's great right there. Okay, not bad. So we can keep we can keep doing our thing in the model. So yeah, I think the next step is to select, remember the first step of your plan or plan. Okay, delete. No, that was not working. Yes. Amazing. So I think it starts to look like a book. I will decrease the size a little bit. I was trying to. Yes. Okay. think we are doing amazingly. We need to cut off. Yes. That part as well. And that's it. So I hope everything is doing. I hope you are doing great. Actually, I was supposed to make a conversation to not be that awkward to look at what I'm doing here. So if there are any introverts there, some tips are you can share some tips. You can talk with people and things like that. I'm rambling, but it's okay. I think that was not that great, but I need to undo that. Yes, I think the best thing we need to do is the refinement and then cut the rest. So people, this is it for now, and next time we'll start over now. Start from there. So thank you for watching this video, and I will keep trying to improve myself and trying to create better videos. So keep doing it. I think it's a nice slogan. I don't know where I heard it. Yeah, I know where. I was trying to make a joke. I'm horrible to make jokes. So next time, and until then, ciao. I was editing this video, and it's not just keeping whatever I said, it's just doing it. I'm sorry for that mistake, and if you are there still, please smash that like button, and have a nice day.